batty bumbo clog, suck cocky blood clog, now secret is bumbo clog, girl.
Please, my beg on, just don't know. Nobody now see what happened to me.
Hey girl, you know you want wicked pussy wall.
This man is just like this in person. He's very ignorant. Really need no help right now.
Blessings. This afternoon, I'm just here to tell you that this video is full of expletives. So if you're one of Jesus' disciples, then you might not want to listen. This young lady is telling us that her life is in danger. So leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. Most importantly, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro soon forward.
Suck your mother and go your yard. Shana, you want to go on your blood clot yard and come out of my side bad man and go on about your big youth. You know? But you know, no matter of fact, pussy, never show you a problem, never show you real something. Don't take your phone and call me a blood clot girl as long as you up on my yard and come out of my bumbo clot yard and go on your yard, go find stepfather and go suck out your mother and go sell pussy and nigger if you take your pit name pussy, go suck out your mother big stinking pussy, Shana. Shana, come out of my yard and go on your blood clot yard. Me tired of you now, crisis girl. Go find stepfather because you have a long blood clot time. Pussy. Come out of my side, go on your yard. Go suck out your mama pussy wall. You may make sure blood clot just go on your bumbo clot yard and love me alone. But don't come out of my yard and go on your yard. You, me hate you. Me hate you, fuck God, kill me for God, strike a ton and a lightning and bust my fucking head not too off. Me hate you like poison pussy. Come out of my side and go on about this. Because I'm done with you. I'm sure to God I'm done with you. Fuck you. And put up all you want on blood clot status. Pussy, you put me on TikTok with one bag of thing. Shana, me hate you for life, pussy. So no matter what you think you can do, the best thing you do, I just go on with your business, don't call my phone. No time, I'm going to do the best part of my life. You may not keep you one, go on, baby, or house or ever. Go suck out your mama and go on. And go fuck dog and make him turn his stepfather to pussy. Because you sell pussy, bumbuck, a drunkard. You have to walk your work and sell pussy. We have about 100 stepfather.
Guys, I need no help right now. I really need no help right now. And then first I go home to see my baby, I know it will happen again. Lots of times me get short with my baby, so I know it will happen again. Guys, I'm staying at my baby father's place. We don't live together. He have one place in St. Andrew, which part he said I could have stay because I don't have no place to stay. Him live where I have me there at St. Andrew. And we have a little conversation this morning. Boy, Jesus Christ. Youth, me just call him man and I ask him if he can make somebody make me get $1,000, you know, because me don't have the money. Me just call the youth and I ask him, can you help me? Or make somebody, or can you make a call or you can get somebody to help me with $1,000? I cause all the argument. Just because I ask him for $1,000, my gas done. I don't have a lighter for even light the coal stove. Nothing, I don't have nothing but $1. And because you know I stay in the place and I ask him how argument catch up, the man said me to leave in place. So right now, I know I'm going to end up homeless with my baby. And I first in do it, and I second in do it. Yeah, married which party show me out and me 2 years old before me have my baby. I'm pregnant with my baby. Show me out and me 2 years old. My pitney nearly dead for me. I say I lucky thing one nurse me dear youth. But me tell her say my pitney nearly dead for me. Right now I can show her a picture. That's why I don't want to do it, because I don't want to cause no more problem. You show a picture which part my baby have to lay down on one shop table with my bag and my clothes, them and everything. When man throw me up, my picnic sick for me, they are dead. Youth. You not do enough to me, youth. You not hurt me enough. You not do enough to me. You not do enough to me. And then people look at me like me is the bad person. Your family hate me. Your family hate me. Just because I put out video attack. I mean, I really care if they want to hate me, no. I don't care. I do not care. Please, if there's anybody who can help me to rent one place so I can go with my baby them. Right now, I don't have a suitcase to put my clothes in. My 2-year-old now have a suitcase to put in clothes in. Everything mash up and damage from when me did there with him. When he used to fling out my bag them and my clothes them and my things them. Youth. Please, if anybody can help me rent somewhere, inbox me. I only can donate to me PayPal. Please, because I don't want to go homeless again. I'm tired.
You may tell a piece and say, don't come up, just pack your thing and come out of my yard, youth, and just bumbuck left me keep on my yard, brother, and go on about your business. I tell you that, brother. Just pack your thing, and just go on about your blood clot business. That me I tell you, yo, youth, let me tell you this, brother. I don't want to nowhere near bumbuck like me as long as life lasts, bad man. And that just go on about your business, brother. No to pussy. Left me yard, left my blood clot yard. God kill me, I tell you, left out of my bumbo clot yard. Shana left out of my yard. Come out of my yard, brother. God, youth, my mother ever bring bumbo clot. We are left close, come give me more. Let's come bring, come give me a look of baby, you to just ban. Hey, Shana, was suck out your mother stinking blood clot pussy and go bumbo clot, girl. My mother ever do them thing, girl. You come and take my mother bring blood clot back. We wear a bumbo clot use. Pussy, I get a brand new buckle of my mother bumbo clot. Why that thing I bring come give a big batty bumbo clot. Suck. Cocky blood clot, now secret is bumbo clot, girl. Oh, yeah, brother. You come and tell my mother bring blood clot, we are left close. Come get, hey, girl, you know you want wicked pussy wall. From baby, they don't go bump, from baby band, pussy, uncle, my sister, buy you one blood clot in a feed. They say, yo, I tell you, don't know we can get some yard, brother. I tell you, left out of my bumbo clot, yeah, I don't have a sinner ear from my pussy, that's left out of my yard, I'm serious to youth. If you don't come out of my yard, I'm going to tell you, youth. If you don't come out of my yard, brother, I tell you, come out of my yard. Come out of my yard. I'm going to get police to take it to my fucking yard in a brother. See you to God, I tell you that in a brother. Yo, come out of my yard and go on your bumbo clot. I'm not keeping on that stone when you have a blood clot. You come out of my yard, pussy. Youth, my mother, you have a bumbo clot style. Bumbo clot, girl. My mother, your style. But my mother, you not even know what you're doing. You not even know what you're doing. You say they fuck with me, roll it, youth. I say you fuck with me and put up my name, amazing brother. What you tell my mother? It's fucking done. No bunch in a line and dead with me and your bad man. Just lift up. I'm going to tell you, if I beg bossy time, come over, come get police and get him out of my bumbo clot. Yeah, I don't care where you want to go. I don't want you from my yard. I tell that. Yo, you watch it, man. I'm going to make sure police come take it to my yard. I'm going to go over, I'm going to take it to my yard, youth. Brother, I tell you, you have to come out of my bumbo pussy blood clot yard. Brother, I don't like you, I don't want to see you, you're dead to bumbo clot me, you. I don't want to see you, brother. Just come out of my place, avoid me as long as life blood clot is you. Just do that. For peace and safety. Come out of my yard, avoid my blood clot place and avoid me, period. You hear me, I tell you? Alright, well that me have a blood clot, tell you. Pussy, this is my mother. I'm going to talk about my mother and this is my mother. Go suck out, ring out your mama pussy. Your father fuck out your thinking pussy, suck pussy, girl, Shana. I want to look out daddy fucker, girl. Where your father fuck out, dirty stinking blood clot drunker, girl. You come and talk about my mother. You to cross my egg, you go suck out your mother, Shana, you dirty girl. You see, you walk and sell pussy and live like dog. That's how your life can better. And your father fuck out, you look at nasty pussy, well drunker. Go suck your mother and go from you, say you. Yo, come out of my yard, you. Youth, if I never want to, Mr. Moosh, could have made the house could just move around youth, and tonight you just take out your blood clot and go crash with your pussy hole and kill you, the house there. Suck out your mother and go from me, say you. I don't want to know nothing about nobody fear bad man. Just love me alone, youth. Go on about your business, pussy. Me hate you like poison, youth. Like for dog, get blood clot poison. My life is see dog, my life is here for you, brother. Just go on about your business, brother. Left me hard, brother. Left me hard, man. You left me, yo. I got scandal your blood clot banks. I got to kill me, pussy. You have to go left me hard, pussy. Oh, watch it and so you have to go on. You have to go left out the top it. Oh, watch it and so you have to go on. You have to go left out the top it, pussy. Remember me tell you that. I hate you, my youth. Come out of my yard, brother. Lift up out my bumbo clot yard and go suck out your mother, father, fucker, bumbo clot girl. Your father, fuck out, stinking, dirty blood clot girl, whore like dog, and sell pussy like drunk. Go suck out your mother, girl. Your father, fuck out, pussy old girl. Go ahead. Bad man, if you don't come out, youth, I tell you this, youth, brother. I tell you, youth. If you don't come out, I will come up, so come there, use police and take your time of fucking out before the week. Done if you don't left out of my yard, brother. I tell you that, brother. You hear me tell you that? Yeah, before the week done, I come get police and take it to my yard, brother. You have to come out of my yard, brother. I tell you that you have to go on over your mother yard, my. Go to your people in my yard, brother. Hope it's not belongs to you, brother. Don't come out of my yard, you don't like me, you don't like my people, brother. Just come out of my yard, brother. Come out of my yard, brother. You don't like my mother, brother. Come out of my yard and start to tell like my mother, brother. Come out of my yard, brother. I don't want to see in my yard. I beg you come out of my yard. You hear that? I tell you, and no pussy, I tell Prof Big, none of them so like no water, nothing for you for that blood clot till I come out of that, brother. Make sure tell blood clot, make sure call and make it be known. Come out of my yard. Left my yard, I don't want to see you. Left my blood clot yard. Say no have no heart. I assure me say no have no heart. Alright. You want me to show you something cool? Pussy? Watch this now. Take up your phone one day and call me and tell me, hey Narby, just try it. One day, just do it one of the blood clot day. Just do it. Just take up your phone and call me one of the day. Suck out your mother and go, girl. Hey, girl, go suck out your mother, go suck your mother, go suck your father, we fuck you. Remember, say your father take your virginity, pussy, go suck out your mother and go your mother make your father fuck you, girl. And watch it and know and do nothing about it. The whole of your father fuck you, your mother, and your sister, them, everybody. Go if I miss a dirty thinking, girl. Tell you this blood clot, yeah. I'm going to block you now from my phone, pussy. I'm going to tell you this, youth. None of you call them now blood clot answer. I'm going to show you a serious face. And fuck up nothing in my house if I think you're blood clot, but here, just come out of my yard and go on about your business. I don't want to see you, my friend. God up for every know I don't want to see you. Brother, I don't like you, youth. Just go on about your business, youth. I'm sorry, say I'm going to look at bumbo clot, baby, youth, but it's because of you, youth. Yeah, brother, just go on, brother. Go on your bumbo clot ways, youth. Go on. Come in and need you, my yard, brother. I don't need to run my people, brother. You don't like my people, brother. I ask my people don't like you, so what are you doing over here, brother? Just go on about your business before you start tell lie, because you tell lie, my mother already, brother. Come out and go on, come down where you tell them more lie, and blood clot us. Leave our place and go to your place of rest.
I better say right now, if me dead, amount of money send to bury me, or amount of money get to bury me. Me alive right now and I ask for help and nobody not help for me. Right now me there I need things my baby. She not even know youth. Right now me there I need things my freaking baby. I mean nobody can ask for help. Everybody me ask for help is either they read me message and answer me, or most people say they can't help me. Me not really mind them because they try to help me before. And if they say they can't do it again, there's nothing I can do. I can only say I appreciate everything one do for me. But right now I not have water. Days now I not have water. Days. How much day now I not be me pick me? My baby. Look a young baby. You, me say I'm tired of the life. I don't know what kind of life I go drop myself in. Me have to come every friggin' minute pan ya so. Nobody. When I feel like it's easy to go get work, it not go easy for me to get work. If you want to know the truth, it not go easy for me to get work. First of all, I depend my one from my 13-year-old. I don't finish high school. Nobody now here nowadays unless you have papers, unless you have your degrees and all that kind of stuff. We get enough job opportunities, but what me can do? I have to sit down and yard and pick me there. Me not nobody. So right now me there I want freaking help right now to go get some things. Right now me able to go to the hospital. Me can't come in on the money. Youth. I don't know what kind of life this pick up with myself. Yo. Used to hustle and make my money. I don't know why I never just continue. I should just continue just do what I do and make me money. I don't know why I'm going to put myself in certain things for make that. At least my baby would have alright. Better I go back to their life there. But I'm go back go sleep with people for money. How money I make them way there. Instead of come back by yourself. If people are feeling embarrassed because maybe I don't care. Because no look for me. People pick me. No, no, no. If anybody want to judge me, they know. They hear say, they see the video, yes, and I go do this in the back. I don't care, as long as my baby them hurt me, alright. If you're dead right, that's me dead right now. A whole heap of money, me know I go get her to bury me. Maybe better me go dead and done. Maybe better. Cause me can't take this no more. It mad me. Yo, wanna stop. Please. Please, my beg, wanna just don't know. Nobody now see what happened to me. All the man that disrespect and style me, uno hear me put out one video I disrespect him and nobody feel him. Me just come out and talk the truth and everybody just dump on me for no friggin' reason. Youth, me's a good person. Me not do nobody down. Just try to live my life. Depend my own from me young. Then I street from a young youth. And when nobody know where to go. I feel hop from place to place. To try make it a big food. Walk my road dirty. Little picnic. Get abused, rape, everything. Depend my one. Wanna just stop, please. Me can't take it no more. And I just run out, you know. This man is just like this in person. He's very ignorant. He's a very ignorant soul. Let me just meet him. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Let me tell you, I'm the nicest person. Oh God. Youth. I'm the nicest person I ever meet in my life. Let me just meet him. So let me take up myself, go live with him now. I'm pregnant. Not God. I'm pregnant. I just saw the ball roll. So I just because I don't want to talk story time, you know. Just because I don't want to talk the whole story and everything. Because I don't want no problem with nobody. Because I know the much I cause problem. Because I just come out and talk the truth. Me hear say me a scammer. Me hear say me a come on TikTok and scam people. For me, I don't even know how to scam. Coming and asking for help for my kids. How is that scamming? I wouldn't put my face out there if me a scam nobody. Me hear say me a tell lie. First of all, I'm not telling a lie because I know God punish me. I'm a godly person. I read my Bible and I pray. And I tell us that this man is ignorant. I am not the first person he does it to. I am just the first person to come out and talk. And they don't like it because it's embarrassing. Just because I come out and talk and they look embarrassing, you know, make people are cuss me, you know. People are class, me talk about them if you left. Dirty girl left the man place. Crosses girl left the man place. Me a crosses. I 3rd of August my born. I was born the 3rd of August. I am a sweet soul. Me might have my ignorance and my miserableness, but I am a sweet soul. Me loyal. Me did it for you when I did for your face. If you don't have nothing to eat, me not complain. Me sit down and suck salt and drink water or drink juice. Enough time me there with the man dead for hungry, me big belly. Actually, me no want to talk youth. Actually, me no want to talk youth. Because anyhow, me come out and talk. I am not the first female he does it too. I am not his only baby mother. Just because the guy nice to me for years or 2 years, he try to get me for 2 years before me go with him. 2 years he nice to me. When me tell you say nice. This man will fool you. You will never know how he is until you go there with him and he get you and you go live with him. You see, otherwise from that, remember me tell you say the nicest person you could ever know. But you see, once you go there with him and if you know him as a woman, remember me tell you, he beat every baby mother when you have. He beat every woman we have. Me say he beat one little girl which party they have up here, one little young girl. Until the girl couldn't take it no more. Me say and sister have to come up here and tell the girl and tell the girl to go away. This man treat every woman bad. In last baby mother me say throw her out on her face when she 8 months. Listen, actually me no want to talk. I'm no one getting in no trouble. I'm no problem with nobody. I want no problem. I have my kids them. You don't have to do anything for somebody if you treat you bad. Because I ask myself the same thing. I'm asking myself the same question. What the hell me do this man for this man to treat me so? This man beat me, this man abuse me, this man do me the worst. Me used to live certain life and I used to have to do certain things to survive. And left that life there. Because I used to do everything for my own. I never have no man and before me there with him. I must do everything for my own. I left certain life because he asked me and he begged me. I say, alright then, me finally give you a chance. Because I never give a man a chance yet in my life. I first me tell us me ever say solid me I go there with and live with a man. And me left my beach life and go live with you up in a mountainside in a bush, which boy you have to walk at least an hour to reach at the farm. And go farm with you to show you say me is not a person which part I go sit down and lazy. Farm with you and make me money. When me tell you say walk on road dirty in a dirty clothes with cutlass and fork, you can go up in community which part in there right now and ask anybody if I'm not true. I'm a farm with him and when me tell you say me there with this man and from me there with this man I never ask him for even a panty. Because me see saying I have it and him a try to. Not even a panty me ask him for. And him never buy me a panty yet. If you don't want to know. Me no do this man nothing. Nothing at all me no do him. Nothing at all me do him. Me never cheat on him. If me hear people that disrespect him, me disrespect them back for him. So me used to stay. If he in a fight with people, because he usually love getting a fight with people, me did a behind him same way. He not have nothing. Me not criticize him, me not chastise him, me not go cheat on him, me not go do nothing. Me sit down with him. If I want banana we have to eat, me sit down and me eat with him. Only if he cheat on me, with a girl which part I must put him in prison. Him abuse me. If you want a lady which part me just tell her say she stop dealing with me and leave me alone because he abuse me for her. Listen to me, please, I beg you. No more of the negative question. I go through enough. I'm going through enough. Please, I beg you. I go through enough. Only if you get hurt over again. A $1,000, I call him Maximus man if you can help me to get $1,000 man start cuss. So I post up on my status. Say my baby I go alright or something. The man call me and I cuss me. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna make everybody stay how you stay. That's why I post my post. I not do this man nothing. Honestly, I have all the followers, right? So when I go up on my live, I hardly get gifters on my live. Hardly. When I go live, I get less than 10 people on my live. The most I get, I probably want 15 or less than 15. I don't get people on my live. People don't really come on my live. And I don't get gifters like that on my live. Which part can gift me, which part me can have money, which part me can do things. Cause if me go live and me get gift, which part me know me I make money or something. I go take care and turn me hand, I go take care, I go buy things and try to make a little business and try to make some money for myself. I'm not gonna come here and do this all the time. If I go on my live and I have supporters that come on there and give me because they know my situation, me I go take that money and I go turn it. I'm going to try start like a small business. I'm not a lazy person. And I will do whatever it takes to make sure my baby them alright. Somebody asked me, say, how me have data for come? People help me with data here. I beg data and get data. And by the plan them which part we can have for my phone. I don't know the digital app which part you can buy the plan which part you can have enough data for a couple of days. And people help me with data. On this app, I have a whole heap of followers. Do you guys realize how much views my video them get? Sometimes I post a video and it get less than 500 views. Sometimes 100 and something views. Sometimes just 10 likes, sometimes 9 likes. I don't know if I true hardly go live or stuff like that because most time I have to care kids them and I'm tired because I have to do it alone, so most time I'm tired. So if I have people who come from my life come support me, believe me, there is no way I gotta do this. Because people have no idea where I go through. Like we just recently have a baby and then I go through depression and postpartum. My God almighty thing in that one, it kinda just overwhelming and my body just drained right now. Me literally drained. Me just literally feel done. And what you say about the place, I have found a lot of places because I try to find some which part safe and gated which part I know you can't come or you can't find me, but then cost a whole heap. Most of them cost 25,000, 30,000 a month. So I mean, no one come by here and come ask somebody if that the kind of money them then come. You know, nobody come cuss me or say me a try scam or me a gold digger or, you know, people stay. So that's why I'm not saying nothing yet.